Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be showing you how to set and schedule tasks in your CRM. Let's get started. To start, navigate to the Contact section of Mautic by clicking Contacts in the main menu. Then, click on the profile of the contact you want to create a task for. At the bottom of each contact's profile is Mautic's Task Manager, which details a contact's engagement with your school, as well as any manual notes or tasks you've created. To set a new task, click on the Tasks tab and select Add Task. You can then set the start and end date of your task using the helpful calendar feature, as well as assign it to a particular Mautic user. You can then give your task a title, as well as a description, and then set its status. Now, you can always update this once you've completed your task. You can also indicate the type of task you're creating, whether that be an email, a call, or a simple to-do. When you're happy with your new task, click Save. Then, you can navigate to your Mautic calendar, and you'll notice that the task you've created will appear, and you can edit it at any point. And that's it. Now you know how to set and schedule tasks in your CRM. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section on our website at higher-education-marketing.com.